Finding the best fishing gear can be such a long task, especially since you have to pick through many choices in the market. Fish Finally is here to make your job easier. We've put together this list of the 10 best choices. We've tested each and every one of them to really make sure you're getting the best. Our list of recommendations carry only the best products of the bunch and give you a clear idea on key features. To know more about each of these, you can always check out the links we've put in the description box. Let's dive in.
To be a good fisherman, you need to have a good fishing rod at your disposal. In the quest to learn about the top saltwater trolling rods out there, we looked at numerous samples for all kinds of fishing. No matter what kind of fishing you're comfortable with, our video guide on the 10 best saltwater trolling rods will help you pick the perfect one.
Let's start the ball rolling with the best budget option that will not skimp on any desired features.
Number 10. Xcaliber Marine Saltwater Trolling Rod. Next to great fishing, nothing is more important than a good saltwater trolling rod. At Xcaliber Marine, you'll find a good saltwater trolling rod for practically every style of fishing, all manufactured to the highest quality standards. Whether you're looking for a simple saltwater trolling rod, Xcaliber Marine Saltwater Trolling Rod is your answer. This Xcaliber Marine Saltwater Trolling Rod is made from an E-glass blank and has blue and silver wrapping. All guides are double wrapped to ensure years of service. This rod features marine-grade alloys built to last a lifetime. All components are made to Xcaliber Marine's exact specifications. This rod also features marine-grade aluminum butts and an EVA grip for added comfort. It has a solid grip pack bay roller guide and a marine-grade aluminum reel seat. Number 9. Daiwa Saltwater Trolling Rod. The Daiwa Saltwater Trolling Rod introduces one of the best fishing rods on the market. It features the Daiwa Super Volume Fiber Graphite technology for strength and exceptional flexibility. This rod will take your fishing to the next level. This Daiwa saltwater trolling rod is designed with southeast trollers in mind, but the rods cross over into other saltwater fisheries where trolling is key. It is built with quality ALPS roller guides on top and stripper for years of rugged use. It has a unique triangle-shaped power lift grip that can take heavy pressures with comfort. The stylish aluminum gimbal is decorated with a laser-etched Daiwa logo. With a removable butt cap, the rods can be fished in or out of a gimbal. The rod is built in two lengths: 5 feet 6 inches and 6 feet. With 3 different bends, the line of rods is tailored for each troller's needs. If trolling is part of your game, you owe yourself a look at the Daiwa saltwater trolling rod, where quality construction and high performance meet. Number 8. Rose&Wood Saltwater Trolling Rod. This is a Rose&Wood saltwater trolling rod that is made long, thin, lightweight, flexible, yet amazingly strong. If you're looking for a light jigging rod, the Rose&Wood is an amazing slow-pitch bait casting rod with a great price tag and a must on your list. This Rose&Wood saltwater trolling rod comes with a 2-piece rod in a set. It is constructed of Japanese high-carbon fiber cross-wrapped. This gives it the essential strength while keeping it thin and lightweight, so you can use it for hours without fatigue. It also has amazing sensitivity for an accurate feel and optimal response. This light feel is enhanced by the EVA handle, while the split grip enhances sensitivity. It has the power to handle heavier line weights and work heavier jigs. And if you land one of the big ones, it has the backbone to pull them in successfully. The O department guides are hard-wearing and designed to ensure smooth line flow and heat dissipation. Number 7. Goofish Saltwater Trolling Rod. Are you searching for the best saltwater trolling rod for your ordinary use? Try not to stress. Here is the best saltwater trolling rod sitting tight for you. The Goofish Saltwater Trolling Rod is perhaps the most ideal decision for you. This saltwater trolling rod makes certain to carry a grin to your face. This Goofish saltwater trolling rod comes with a 5 feet 5 inches long rod. It has an advanced material processing technology that is made of solid nanotech blanks. So that rod is stronger than hollow blank, thinner diameter, more sensitive tip, lighter weight. This rod is built with a fluorescent green coating camouflage EVA handle that looks very beautiful. It will make you look very different. It's a perfect combination of features and specifications that allow a cost-effective rod.
Next up on our list is something you should really give a shot. It has really attractive features and great value for the money.
Number 6. Okiaya Saltwater Trolling Rod. If your fishing trip doesn't include the Okiaya Saltwater Trolling Rod, you should consider making a change as soon as possible. This model from Okiaya is one of their many rod models, each of which has been put together with care and precision to help make your fishing experience a special one. This saltwater trolling rod is the best saltwater fishing rod as voted by several customers all across the globe. It is considered the winner choice, which is why it has found a spot in their list of recommendations. The rod features a high-quality industrial design that is made possible via the use of composite fiber for the main shaft to increase its sensitivity. The rod comes with CNC machined aircraft-grade alloys to increase the rod's strength, and durable hardware as well as smooth stainless rollers. It enables you to use this fishing rod every year without worrying about corrosion or reduced performance. Their guide to the best fishing lures features more amazing gear for fishing. Number 5. Penn Rampage Saltwater Trolling Rod. Would you like to make your fishing trip simpler and easier with an advanced saltwater trolling rod? At that point, Penn Rampage Trolling Rod is the best guide for you. The saltwater trolling rod from Penn offers superior components and materials that far exceed the competition. The Penn Rampage Saltwater Trolling Rod is designed to be a workhorse for charter boats or anglers that need durability in a variety of fishing situations. It is constructed with a tubular glass blank for extra strength. It also features a solid glass tip that helps keep the rod tip from breaking even when high-sticked. The rod comes with a heavy-duty POC bay reel seat that ensures a secure lock on the reel foot, eliminating flex while under heavy load. It also has stainless steel guides with aluminum oxide inserts. Number 4. Shimano Saltwater Trolling Rod. Amateur and professional fisherfolk can attest to the quality of the Shimano Saltwater Trolling Rod. This is another one of the many saltwater trolling rods created and distributed by the Shimano brand, and it is regarded as the best saltwater trolling rod you will ever encounter in today's market. This is a trolling rod designed to catch large fish. It is constructed with a dynamic core of T-glass material overwrapped with a spiral pattern of high-modulus graphite. The TC4 blanks are designed specifically to fish Power Pro lines and achieve outstanding strength-to-weight ratios. It is impressive and also makes it a favorite among the fishing community. This rod is equipped with high-density EVA foam handles for a non-slip gripping surface, as well as a hook keeper to make sure your rod can be rigged up before and after you leave your favorite fishing area. Number 3. Eat My Tackle Saltwater Trolling Rod. Do you need the best saltwater trolling rod for your ordinary use? Try not to stress. Here is the best saltwater trolling rod sitting tight for you. The Eat My Tackle Saltwater Trolling Rod is perhaps the most ideal decision for you. This Eat My Tackle Saltwater Trolling Rod is constructed with the most expensive composite blank. It has wide mouth roller guides capable of passing the largest wind on leaders for outstanding control at the boat side. The guides feature the finest roller components and have double wraps for strength. This is one of the best looking rods, and a set of these on a tournament boat is quite the sight. Excellent backbone and sensitive tip for the best action of any rod we have constructed. The span wrap construction is important when a fish takes off to the side. The rod will resist twist better than any rod we have tested. It is made from the finest high-carbon composite blank span wrap construction to minimize side loads and twist. It features EVA foam grip handles for non-slip and comfort. The rod length is 5 feet 6 inches for ideal control. Gimbal cross on the end of the rod, but for rod holders or fighting belts.
Before we get to the best of the bunch, let's look at the runner-up for today's video.
Number 2. Goture Saltwater Trolling Rod. This Goture Saltwater Trolling Rod is a great option for saltwater fishing. The rod is made of high-density 24-ton carbon fiber and e-glass composite for great power and sensitivity. It's lightweight and perfectly balanced, thus less fatigue. The rod features exquisite reel seats that are made of corrosion-resistant CNC machined aluminum for years of worry-free fishing. It has 3-point welded stainless steel guides with ceramic inserts for use with braided or mono fishing lines and providing saltwater-approved corrosion resistance and power control. This saltwater trolling rod allows you to travel to your favorite fishing spot and enjoy fishing whenever and wherever you want. It is lightweight and portable and easily fits in a car trunk, boat, or backpack. Various sizes and lengths are available for freshwater bass trout fishing, saltwater surf fishing, or inshore fishing.
From performance to price, from design to durability, the last product on our list is the best out of all we've reviewed.
Number 1. Fiblink Saltwater Trolling Rod. If you are looking for the best saltwater trolling rod, then look at this Fiblink Saltwater Trolling Rod. It is constructed with solid e-glass graphite composite blanks that deliver supreme pulling power for the largest fish. The structurally improved solid glass fiber construction enhances strength. With 5 feet 6 inches in length, the rod maintains sensitivity and strength. It features polished stainless steel roller guides that protect the line from wear and tear. They also protect against saltwater and corrosion. It comes with an aluminum alloy wheel seat that features hood transitions below and above the reel seat. The pole also has an EVA handle for better durability and sensitivity. It's comfortable and won't become slippery when wet. This one stands out thanks to the precise calculation and supreme manufacturing. It's a perfect combination of features and specifications that allow a cost-effective rod. As a result, this one is flexible, versatile, and lightweight. Here is a list of the top 10 saltwater trolling rods in the market selected for you. Hope you found what you needed. Stay tuned with us to get the next update.